I chose the engineering route because I've always been into old cars. I've always wanted to work on old cars. That's my dream since I was about 6 years old. So I chose this course. I knew I'd be in a really good place, learning from really smart people, and I would have the opportunity to do work experience, which I'm going to be doing very soon, actually.
Jamie's journey from starting on the foundation year, he was quite a confident student at the beginning, however, lacked the practical skills.
My favourite course was the engines unit with Malcolm because I'm a bit of a gearhead, so I really enjoy the cars. I applied for the T-level, but I was 5 marks off in my maths GCSE. But I love this course and the people I've met on it, so it all works out in the end. I'm somewhat confident that I will pass, but there's always that idea in my head I need to keep my standards up so I can get onto the T-level. This year will help me get there because it'll get me more used to the workshop and it'll get me more used to the working environment that I'm not so used to yet, but will definitely get used to.
I just completed the T-level foundation year in engineering. I'm hoping to start my T-level engineering this year in September. I found the course really interesting. In secondary school I wasn't as motivated because it wasn't specifically what I wanted to do, but this year has really made me motivated and wanted me to work hard. So my favourite parts of the course were probably the work experience. I did 2 weeks of work experience with Hawthorns, a luxury sport car business, working on these lovely cars. They seem to really get along with me, so they actually have offered me a Saturday job, which I'm really excited to start. So one of the skills I've learnt on my course is problem solving, and that's really helped me in the workplace, but I've been able to refine that in class. I'm a lot better at my kind of general knowledge, especially in a garage or in a workshop like this. My maths has definitely improved since the beginning of the year, definitely since this point last year. I think this course has definitely got me prepared. Doing this first year has really helped me to understand what I'm actually going to be doing here. Being able to have that opportunity to work in the classroom, to know what I'm doing, and then to go out into a workplace and realise how much I actually love doing it has actually been a really nice opportunity for me to have.
It's very satisfying seeing them coming through, having done the foundation year and then moving on to the T-level in itself. It's just seeing them growing with their confidence and their skills.
I'm doing a T-level in engineering. Last year I completed a T-level foundation year in engineering. It feels great, the progress that I've had since this time last year. I was a baby, really, when it came to the engineering world. I'm really happy with how far I've come, but I know there's still a long way to go.
Jamie's coping well with the T-level, and I believe that having done the foundation year first, that has stood him in good stead for the planning and organisation needed for the comprehensive amount of information they have to take in on the T-level.
Last year I did work experience with Hawthorns, and this year I'm doing my industry placement with Hawthorns. I'm hoping to learn more in-depth things about how a gearbox will run or how to properly fit an axle. What I'm learning in the classroom really helps me in the garage because I'm learning about materials and about components, how they're made and why they're made. So I did the T11 engineering rather than motor vehicles because it gives me more career options and a broader understanding of what engineering is. I'm definitely happy that I decided to do the foundation year because it gave me more experience. I'm finding that the people I'm working with now don't have as much experience in the workshop. I've definitely gotten to a place where I'm so much more confident in myself. I feel a lot more like an engineer rather than a student. When I finish the T-level, I'm looking towards an apprenticeship. I still think that cars are really interesting and it's what I'll most likely go into. I've started to look towards architecture as well. I think architecture is really interesting. My course has shown me that. It's definitely helped me broaden my horizons, not be so boxed in.